Snow. It's white and sloppy. When it falls, I worry. It is a four-letter dirty word. Kids would not understand. It's their world. It looked beautiful on the ground, singing songs in a round. I may be hesitant to be a fan, knowing I have to shovel because I'm a man. When it comes, so does bad weather, watching it cover the heather, sticking when it's cold. I am still not sold. It is coming soon and fast. I would really like to be on the warm sea with a mast, covering up, wishing for the warmth. Soon I will get the warmth. I see the snow and it falls. I am safe within these halls.